I'm not the one that you've been dreaming of. The dirt underneath my fingernails and worn out shoes. I never thought that I would fall for someone.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Leanne, and welcome to Leanne's Life. Today, I have for you a Bake and Decorate Fall 2021 edition. I am super excited for fall. I am ready for the change in weather. This week, it is still 90 degrees out, even though I'm pretending it's fall. But next week is going to dip into the 70s as a high, which 20 degrees difference is huge. So I am super excited for those cozy, warm mornings, cool mornings, but warm in the home, along with my blanket and my coffee. And I'm just super excited for fall and all the holidays that are coming up. So today I have for you a bake and decorate with me. In my home, I don't decorate too much for fall. I have little pops here in my living room, as you can see over here, and then on top of my TV stand and a little bit in my dining room. But my kitchen, I always seem to want to decorate my kitchen and make it very cozy. That's my word of the day. Cozy and festive for each holiday season, especially fall, which is my favorite season of the year. I absolutely love Christmas, of course. Everybody loves Christmas. But there's just something about fall, the whole feeling of fall. I just love the cool, crisp air, the colors. Like this is like my color palette right here. The natural colors, the scents, the smells, the foods, it's all me. So fall is definitely my time of year. So today I am going to be baking and decorating my kitchen with you today. I made my cup of coffee. I got that salted caramel coffee from Aldi, and that I used this morning. I got it from Aldi. It's actually really delicious. I add a little bit of that caramel skinny syrup and a little bit cinnamon on top with some oat milk. It is taste of fall in a cup, absolutely. And I got this mug from Dollar General. If you haven't seen that, shop with me. I will link it below. Don't sleep on Dollar General for decorations, for decor, even non-holiday decor. It's just, they have some great stuff for a very reasonable price. So let's get to it. I'm going to start with baking, and we will get on with decorating my kitchen.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow. And the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day, and it will set you free. There's a new day to get you through your struggles.
So the next thing I'm going to do is make my own disinfectant. I use this quite often over commercial products I just like to use it when I am cleaning and cooking, and I just think it's better, and it's non-toxic, not more non-toxic. What's that? That doesn't make any sense. That it is non-toxic. So I have these amber glass jars with the spray top. I will link these below. I got these from Amazon. So, and I will leave the recipe down below also. So into your bottle, you're going to be adding a cup of water. And I have a funnel here, so I'm going to pan you down so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so you need a cup of water, a half a cup of rubbing alcohol, 70% or higher is the best. And this is a new one. Okay, half a cup of that. A half a cup of white vinegar. And then you're going to add your essential oils, anything that you would like. Tea tree, lemon, orange is great for the kitchen, but for fall, I like to mix cinnamon, orange, and clove. So I am going to be putting 32 drops of cinnamon, 16 drops of orange, and clove into here. I will also leave links to these essential oils. I use this Aura Cassia, I think that's how you pronounce it. I've used this for many, many years, that brand. So, and then just put your lid on, shake it up, and you're going to want to use a glass bottle when it comes to essential oils because the oils will eat away at plastic bottles. So dark colored glass is the best when you are mixing things to clean with or to use essential oils. So for my kitchen table, I decided that I'm going to do something very simple. I have this amber jar that I got at Michael's. I mean, it wasn't cheap. It was $20 and it was only like 20% off. But I liked it. It was big. And then I bought some flowers from Trader Joe's, just these yellow mums, and some eucalyptus. And then, if this is taboo or not, but I have some fake floral from Hobby Lobby that I thought would look pretty mixed in with everything. So that's what I'm going to try to arrange right now.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.
So I'm just going to decorate this corner over here. I put a dish towel from Hobby Lobby inside this. I think that looks super cute. And then I got this riser from the dollar spot at Target. This wood riser for $5. I am sure this is not going to last but more than one season because I'm having it here next to my sink, and it will get wet, I am positive. So it's fine. It's fine. It's just It's for decor, it's only $5. Then I picked up this foaming hand soap at TJ Maxx. It smells really good. And it is white pumpkin. Then I just have my dish soap here in this amber glass jar. I'll put there. And then I'll add some pumpkins.
Oceans, sharing stories that we never had, yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about us. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about the way we are.
Sing, won't you sing with me? Leave everything for me. Stay the night. Oh, miss your flight. Walk through the rain with me. Get soaked to the skin, feel free. Shut the world out. Let's hang out. Oh, I used to see in colors, now it's gray. Till I met you at the concert the other day. The whole room lit up with warm, sunny rays. Tonight we'll turn minutes into days.
Okay, so that is it for this clean and decorate and bake with me for fall 2021. I don't go all out like a lot of people do here on YouTube. I kind of want to just keep it simple and minimalistic, like I said earlier. And I think it is super nice, super cozy, and I'm happy with it. So let's taste these vegan muffins. This one actually just came out of the oven. I had to put in a few more because I had batter left. Oh, they're so nice and warm. Oh, really warm. Okay, let's break it off from the top where it's not so warm now. Very good. It actually could use a little bit more cinnamon and maybe some more pumpkin pie spice, but inside, very pillowy, moist, delicious. I mean, perfect for a breakfast. It definitely needs a little bit more cinnamon. So if you like cinnamon, make sure to add more cinnamon. But it is delicious. So thank you everyone for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell down below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye everyone.
Walk through the rain with me. Get soaked to the skin, feel free. Shut the world